As you can see, as an admin, you can control employees' certain access to certain settings. For example, in user management, you can select an employee named John and you can control his access. For example, if he is not allowed to access into the employee, you can simply select load and save. And now I'm John and I'm trying to access into Gozzbe software. I log in, I type in my password and I try to log in. Once I log in, I want to check the employee, but I don't have the permission. So simply as an admin, you can reverse this action. So you go back, come to the login page, admin, type in the password, simply select settings, user management, and you can control more. So John, he can log in now, but he cannot save or he cannot edit or he cannot delete. Even he cannot open settings. So you save it. Now I'm John and I'm trying to log in. I log in. Now I simply select employee. Now I can see the employee page, but I cannot save. The save has been cancelled. Or I cannot delete or edit the page. And that is how you give the authority to control the Gozzbe